Appreciate coffee. So you want to appreciate coffee? And all you've wanted is coffee. As in, kape talaga. Okay, alright, so. Appreciate coffee, better be. Cause you have to and you must. And you should. Okay, so. Visit some coffee shops near you. If malayo, try mo na din. Okay, so. Lahat tayo is gusto ng kape. Especially at mornings and breakfast. Okay. So, appreciate coffee, you must. And you should. You have to, nakaka-inspire, motivate, at magiging determined ka pa. Pair it also with exercise. Running, walking, yes, okay, so. Appreciate coffee. Coffee habit, coffee routine, yes. Okay. Appreciate coffee. Sometimes, okay din siya inumin tuwing gabi. Lalo na kung coffee lover ka talaga. Starbucks na. Coffee ko lucky day. Great taste white instant coffee. Ako, every mornings, hindi mawawala yun. Once a day is enough. But if you would like, you could turn it into 2 times a day. You would drink coffee or 3 times pa. Yes and true, totoo. Okay. So, appreciate coffee, wag lang sobra-sobra. Kapag call center, madalas kape. Kapag artist or musician, madalas din is kape. College, university students, office worker, yes. Mapakahit na sino pa yan. Importante ang kape. Sa mga buhay natin at life. Because coffee is life. Right, okay, so. Appreciate coffee. Breakfast na. 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., yes. And even 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. Oo, totoo. Okay, so. Appreciate coffee, you should. It is a requirement. Required po. Para maganda ang gising mo sa umaga. Para din may energy ka po. Tapos po, positive ka lang po kapag okay, so. Appreciate coffee, better be. And you have to. Masaya. Magkape as in. Hindi ka mapag-iiwanan. Oo at totoo. Okay, so. Coffee is life, totoo yun. Huwag lang po sobra, as I have said. Okay, so. Appreciate coffee. Paano ba i-appreciate ang pag-inom ng kape? First thing in the morning. Yun agad ang gawin mo. Magkape, totoo, okay, so. And then, do your stuffs, do your work. Or school stuffs, yes, okay. Appreciate coffee, yes, you must. There's a sense of completeness. When you drink coffee, life has more purpose and deep meaning when drinking coffee. Totoo, okay, so. Appreciate coffee para awake. Mag-coffee, yes. You'll enjoy life more. If you drink coffee, yes. Okay, so like mo na. Comment pa, subscribe na din. Subscribe. I am Gail and this is Speak Up Dear. Okay po. Speak up, dear. Speak up, dear.